In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notebooklm for content research. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once the page loads, take a moment to notice the main layout. Notebooklm is designed for research, so everything is organized into panels that help you bring sources in, ask questions, and save what you find. Next, create a fresh notebook. On the dashboard, click the button that says Create New. This gives you a clean workspace for a specific topic, which helps keep your research organized and prevents unrelated sources from mixing together. After that, you will upload your sources. When the pop-up appears, choose the material you want Notebooklm to use. You can add PDFs, paste YouTube links, or select files from your drive. As you add sources, they will populate the source panel on the left. This panel is your reference library for the notebook, so it is a good habit to include only the most relevant items. If your topic is broad, start with a few high-quality sources first, then add more as needed. Now you are ready to analyze. Move to the chat panel in the center and type a clear question about your topic. For example, you might ask for key takeaways, definitions, comparisons, or a summary of a specific section. Notebooklm will respond with answers that include clickable citations. Those citations are important because they let you jump directly to the exact place in your sources where the information came from. This makes it much easier to verify details and pull accurate quotes for your content. When you get a helpful answer, click Save to Note. Do this as you go, so you build a running set of research notes without needing to copy and paste into another document. Saved notes also make it easier to outline your final content later. Finally, use the Studio panel on the right to generate instant outputs. Select Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview to create a quick, structured version of what you have researched. These outputs are useful for turning research into draft content fast, while still staying connected to your original sources. With this workflow, Notebooklm can answer questions across your research and help you turn sources into usable content efficiently. That covers everything you need to know.